Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix mobile data not working on your Oneplus mobile. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix your mobile data issue, first of all swipe down and here turn on the aeroplane mode and then wait for few seconds and turn it back off. And after that your mobile data will start working. But if you are still facing the problem with your mobile data, then open settings and here click on mobile network. Now in mobile network click on data usage and after that scroll down and here click on data usage limit. Now here if you have turned on the data usage limit, then increase its limit and from here choose. If you have chosen the send alert and turn off mobile data, then choose send alert only. Now after that click on the stick icon to save changes and do the same thing with monthly data usage. Now increase its size and here if you have chosen the send alert and turn off mobile data, then choose send alert only. Now here again click on the stick icon and after doing this your mobile data will start working properly. Thanks for watching.